Good day, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our fourth game here in the women's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our fourth game, matutunghayan natin ang laro between Team Dasol having 3-2 standing versus Bulinaw having 0-4 standing. Parehong teams ay nanggaling sa pagkatalo kahapon. We will see kung mas babalik sila na stronger and magiging all-out nga ba sila sa loob ng court. Volleyball fans, sabay-sabay natin alamin kung ano ang magiging resulta ng ating fourth game dahil mamaya-maya na lamang ay magsisimula na ang ating fourth game. Volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page dahil ang ating fourth game ay magsisimula na. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Good morning once again mga kabalian and welcome back to the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 here at the Alameda City Sports Complex. It's another beautiful Sunday filled with exciting volleyball action and we're grateful to everyone joining us live, whether you're here inside the venue or watching from the comfort of your homes. As always, we extend our heartfelt appreciation to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon B. Guico III for his unwavering commitment to his sports development and youth empowerment. Because of his continued support, tournaments like this provide a wonderful platform for our athletes to compete, grow, and proudly represent their respective municipalities. Our fourth women's division match features Team Dasol taking on Team Bulinaw. Both teams are entering today's contest after difficult losses in their previous games, making this a very important matchup for both squads. They will undoubtedly be eager to bounce back, regain their confidence, and keep their campaign alive. Whenever two determined teams meet under these circumstances, fans can always expect an intense battlefield with grit, heart, and determination. Today's game is more than just another match. It's an opportunity for both teams to prove their resilience and show why they belong among the top contenders in this tournament. I am Joseph Soriano together with my partner Maria Victoria Ferrer, and we're excited to bring you every serve, every dig, and every point in this highly anticipated contest.
referee, Mr. Jeffrey Jimenez. And our second referee, Mr. Frederick Magpal. Players, coaches, technical officials, best of luck, and keep the ball alive.
First 6 for Team Bolinao, jersey number 7, 2, 11, 6, 12, and 1.
First 6 for Team Dasol. 3, 21, 6, 2, 7. And their first libero is jersey number 8. First serve to start off this match is Team Dasol. Jersey number 20.
First serve, jersey number 21, Ibasitas.
Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Ibasitas.
Magno for first point. Ibasitas. Gonzaga sets it to the open. Ibasitas to Magno, but point for Team Bolinao. That's outside. Reverses the call to Team Dasol. I think it's the net violation.
Ibasitas still serving.
Morga. Bukol. Free ball for Team Bolinao. To Bukol, drop ball. Magno. And cross-court attack works for jersey number 2.
Three serving 0. Ibasitas on the serve.
Good reception. Kalisaan to the middle. But that is outside. (4-0) here.
Ibasitas.
Good serve. Kalisaan will set it to Gonzaga. Andun si Dizon. Free ball, but error for jersey number 6, Baleros.
Serving for Team Bolinao, jersey number 7, Kalisaan. Andun si Dizon. Free ball para sa Team Bolinao. Kalisaan to Morga. Dug by Dizon. From the back row, and that is a point for Team Dasol.
Miscommunication there on the side of Team Bolinao.
Baleros serving.
Service error for jersey number 6.
Gonzaga. And that is a service ace.
What a floater serve.
Gonzaga. Espanyol is there. Ibasitas.
Libero is set sa open pero free ball. Giang. Free ball again for Team Bolinao. Kalisaan sets it to the open and Patop gets the score.
Mabasa isa ang kalamangan ng Team Dasol. 4 serving 5. Gonzaga. Serving. Andun si Magno. Ibasitas. To Magno. Blocked. Self-cover. Ibasitas. Giang will serve a free ball. Paltap. Ibasitas. Violation called on the setter of Team Dasol. 2 touches. We are tied at 5. Gonzaga.
Good read there. 1 point lead. Magno. See with the libero, back set to Bukol, and smart play there with jersey number 11.
Bokol. Ibasita sinabol ang bola para kay Dizon.
Good ball.
Ibasitas to Dizon. Kalisaan couldn't get that one. Point for Team Dasol. Giang now on the service zone. Good call for the libero to get letting that out. Now on the service zone, jersey number 1. Morga. Magno. To Dizon. Free ball. Kalisaan. To Paltep. Dizon, ginawa ng paraan.
Good ball. Point for Team Dasol. 1 point lead here.
Ibasitas to Dizon. Andun yung libero. Free ball para sa Team Dasol. Ibasitas to the middle. Gonzaga tinasang bola. Kalisaan for the free ball. Ibasitas to Dizon. Cross court. Morga itataas ang bola. Foul tap for the free ball. Ibasitas to the middle. And miscommunication there between Carranza and Morga. Point for Team Dasol.
Two-point lead here, Magno. And that is a service ace for jersey number 10, Magno. Too strong. Eight serving 10. And a service ace for jersey number 6.
Paltap. Ibasitas. Gonzaga. Andun yung libero. Dizon ginawa ng paraan. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. And that will be a point for jersey number 12. We are now tied at 10 apiece. Paltep. Ibasitas.
Masyadong dikit sa net. So, a point for Team Bolinao. Lamang na po ng isa.
Paltep.
Back-to-back aces for jersey number 6.
And that will force Dasol to call for time.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Bolinao versus Team Dasol. Nasa first set pa rin po tayo. This is our 4th game for Women's Division. Ibasitas itataas para sa open. Pero another error for jersey number 6, Baleros.
3-point lead po para sa Team Bolinao. Still serving jersey number 6. Magno to Dizon. Kalisaan to Carranza in the middle. Attack error for Team Bolinao. Kalisaan. Free ball binigay ni Gonzaga. Collision there between jersey number 3 and 8.
Two out for Magracia in for Team Bolinao.
Magracia. Ibasitas to the middle. Baleros. Block. Point for Team Bolinao. Magracia. Dizon. Iangat para kay Magno. Misreceive. Now serving for Team Dasol. Jersey number 21. Ibasitas.
Service error. Point for Giang. Substitution here. Baleros out. Navalta in. Kalisaan back set to Gonzaga. And it catches the line.
Gonzaga now serving. And that is a service ace for Team Bolinao. With a 5-point lead. 18 serving 13. Gonzaga. Straight to the net.
Kalisaan back set to Bukol. Andun si Magno. Ibasitas itataas. Joust. Free ball for Team Dasol. Ibasitas to Dizon off speed. And a free ball here coming from Team Bolina. What a save. Kalisaan to Bukol. Wow, what a play here for Team Bolinao.
Great chase para sa libero.
What a chase there by Gonzaga and the libero of Bolinao. Nice serve. And a service ace for the team captain.
Jersey number 11 serving. Ibasitas. And that will be a point for Team Bolina once again.
And the Soul will call for time.
Jersey number 11 serving. And another service ace for jersey number 11. 22 serving 14.
Service error.
Giang. Kalisaan. Tumagalyon. Ibasitas to Dizon. And that will be a point for Team Dasol. Young serving. Gonzaga is there. Back sets to Morga. Dog. Ibasitas to Dizon. Off speed attack. Andun si Kalisaan at hindi na. May tatas ang bola. Point for Team Dasol.
And it's time for Bolinao to call for time. Baba sa 5-point lead. 22-17.
Young still serving. Cruz. Kalisaan. Tumagalyon. Basitas. Dizon. Andun si Cruz. Kalisaan. And that will be a point for Team Dasol.
Babalik dito si Paltop. Receive by the libero. Kalisan would set it to Morga. But another error for Team Bolinao. Baba sa 3 ang Kalamangan.
Young is still serving. Cruz. Kalisaan to Paltop. Andun si Dizon. Ibasita says it to Dizon and that is a point for Team Dasol. 2 na lamang po ang Kalamangan ng Team Bolinao. Morga out, Kaakbay in.
From 8-point lead down to 2. Kalisaan itataas para kay Paltop. Andun yung libero. Ibasitas para kay Dizon. Andun si Gonzaga. Kalisaan sa open. Pero hindi na maitatawid pa ang bola. 23-20.
Serving jersey number 14. Kaakbay. Young. Dizon ganawa ng paraan. Kalisaan, underhand that one to Magracia. But called net violation. Point for Team Dasol. Valeros is back here for Team Dasol. Also Carranza for Team Bolinao. Magno. Kalisaan. To Carranza, but Magno is there. Free ball ibibigay ni Dizon. Kalisaan. To Paltop. And Bolinao will have the set point. Paltop. Free ball ibibigay ni Dizon. Cruz is there. Kalisaan 1-2 play. Valeros, high ball. Cruz to Gonzaga. Dizon is still there. Ibasitas. And you are still watching us live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. This match is between Team Bolinao and Team Dasol. We are now at set number 2. Kanina po ay panalo ang Team Bolinao sa first set. Jersey number 7, Kalisaan. First point for Team Dasol. Attack error for jersey number 2. Kalisaan. Service error. Camero.
Serving jersey number 12, Gonzaga. Fred De Luces, free ball from Gyang. Gonzaga to the open, blocked, cover by Bukol. Drop ball again, Gyang. Tizon will get a free ball.
Fredeluces sets to Magno. Gonzaga is there. 1-2 play for Paltep. Fredeluces to the middle. Magno. Calisaan is there. Cruz sets to Paltep. And that will be a point for Team Dasol.
All two.
Service error for jersey number 2. Point for Team Bolinao. Serving jersey number 11. Gabriela. Giang on the serve. Calisaan oversets that one and point for Team Dasol. Will get the lead for serving 3.
Walang tao sa zone 6 and zone 5. Good target there for Dizon. Gonzaga, Calisaan will give a free ball. Fred De Luces isiset sa open. Swipe. No. Gyang to Dizon again. Andun si Gonzaga. Calisaan to Paltep, but too strong for jersey number 6. Another point for Team Dasol.
Jersey number 7 still serving. Giang. Cruz. Calisaan to Kakbay. Paltep sends that over. Fredeluces to Dizon. Calisaan. Paltep. And that will be a point for Team Dasol.
Back-to-back error on the part of Team Dasol. Bolinao. Gyang. Calisaan chases. Papabawiin si Paltep. Andun si Gyang. Fredeluces to Dizon. And she is blocked by jersey number 2.
Serving jersey number 14, Kaakbay. Fredeluces to Dizon. Block. Self-cover. Fredeluces to Dizon again. Calisaan, itinas para kay Paltep. Off-speed attack. Miscommunication there between Fredeluces and Magno on who will get the second ball. 5 serving 6, Kaakbay on the service zone.
Magno. Fredeluces is set sa opposite, and that is inside.
Magno. Gonzaga is there. To the middle, Carranza. Successful attack for jersey number 2. Paltep now serving.
Dizon
Dizon.
iaangat para kay Beltran. Free ball. Kalisaan. Set kay Gonzaga. Off speed. Good ball. Kalisaan to Gonzaga again. And another point for Team Dasol.
Dizon. Cruz is there. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Dug by Dizon. Magno for the free ball. Paltep. Gonzaga. That is a point for Team Dasol. 3-point lead. Nine serving 6. Dizon. Underhand to Carranza, and that
4-point lead, and Team Bolina will call for time.
jersey number 3 still serving. Dizon. Paltep. Kakbay, tinaas ang bola. Carranza for the free ball. Fidoluces. Beltran sa gitna. Kalisaan chases that one. Magno. Overcooks. Point for Team Bulinaw. Carranza now serving. Giang. Magno magbibigay ng free ball. Kalisaan to Bocol. Fidoluces. Kalisaan gets that one. Kaakbay to Gonzaga. Fidoluces to Magno. Good ball. Magno. Kakbay is there.
Fidoluces sets it to the middle. Good ball. Magno will send it over. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Block, self-cover. Tinaas. Long rally. Fidoluces will set it to Beltran. Bukol, andon. Free ball again for Team Dasol. Fidoluces to Magno. Gonzaga. Fidoluces to Magno, and she gets the point. Serving jersey number 4, Fidoluces. Bukol. Kalisaan want to play. Andun si Magno. Bukol, andun. And the point for Team Dasol. 5-point lead. Received. Kalisaan to Bukol. Deflected. Free ball. To the open. But That is not over. Too many unforced error here on the side of Team Bolinao.
13 serving 7. Kalisaan to the middle attacker. Bukol and another unforced error for Team Bolinao. Fredelusa still serving. Kalisaan. This one is there. Fredeluces. Magno will give a free ball.
Gonzaga. Kalisaan backset to Kaakbay, but walang check ball. Another point for Team Dasol.
Serving jersey number 16, Beltran. Kaakbay.
Not over. Another unforced error for Team Bolinao. Substitution here. Kaakbay out, Morga in.
Beltran. Paltap. Kalisaan to Gonzaga on the opposite. This one was there. Fideluces will she go to Magno. And finds a donut hole in the middle of the defense of Team Bolinao. (17 serving 8). Beltran. Morga. Morga is blocked by Gyang.
And Bolinao will call for time. Huwag po kayong alis dahil meron pa po tayong last game for Women's Division. Team Mabini versus Team Binmalay. At pagkatapos po nun, meron pa po tayong Men's Division. Kalisaan. Isiset kay Morga. Pinabawi kaagad. Gonzaga. Andun si Dizon. Dizon from the pipe, but service, no. Attack error for Dizon. And it's time for Team Dasol to call for time. 18-10. If mananalo po dito sa second set ang Team Dasol, magkakaroon po tayo ng third and deciding set. Pero pag mananalo po dito ang Team Bolinao, tapos na po ang match. Gonzaga. Fredeluces to Magno. Kalisaan. Error for the setter of Team Bolinao. 9-point lead. Kalisaan sets it to open. Binigay kay Dizon. Andun si Kalisaan. Morga isiset para sa middle. But free ball for Team Dasol. Fredeluces to Giang. But that is outside. Point for Team Bolinao. No check ball there on the side of Team Bolinao. So point again for Team Bolinao. 19-12. Seven-point lead.
Dizon misreceives. Fredeluces gives a free ball. Kalisaan to Morga. Dizon will give a free ball.
Good ball. Fredeluces sa zone 5. Good ball. But another error for Team Bolinao.
8-point lead here for Team Dasol. 20 serving 12. Giang. Kalisaan to Paltap.
Check ball ni Magno yun. So another point for Team Bolinao.
Serving for Team Bolinao, jersey number 1, Morga. And a service ace for jersey number 1.
Substitution. 7 out, 12 in.
Morga serving. Fredeluces sets to Magno, and that is a point for Team Dasol. 21-14. Magno. Morga receives that one to Carranza. Point for Team Bolinao. Paltap. Fredeluces to Beltran.
Good side out. 22-16.
Dizon. Kalisaan to Carranza. And that is inside. 16-22. Official score. Carranza.
Good serve. Fredeluces Sets it to Magno. Doug. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Push. Dizon will set it to Magno. But too long for jersey number 2. Baba sa 5. At tatawag ulit ng timeout ang Team Dasol. I think they're using their final timeout for this set.
Carranza. Fredolusas 1-2 play. Andun si Gonzaga. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Deflected. Fredolusas to Magno. Off speed. Fredolusas. Magno will gives a free ball. Kalisaan to the middle. Bokol pushes that one. Dizon from the pipe. Kalisaan to Gonzaga, and point for Team Bolinao. 18-22.
What a run here by Team Bolinao. From 10-point lead down to 4. Dizon from the pipe. Andun si Morga. Kalisaan isi-set kay Gonzaga. Off speed. Magno, drop ball. Gonzaga will give a free ball. Fredeluces to Magno, but straight to the net. 3-point lead na lang ang Team Dasol. If they wanna win this set.
Masarbito in. Magno out. Carranza serving. Fredeluces. Dizon gives a free ball. Kalisaan to Bokol. Fredeluces to Masarbito.
Free ball. Fredelusas iaangat. But another free ball for Team Bolinao rather. Gonzaga. Self-cover. Isa pa. Good cover. Fredeluces to Masarbito. Hinabol ni Morga. Long rally here to Masarbito, and donut hole for Team Bolinao.
Great defense for both team with the long rally. Fredeluces now serving. Gonzaga. Kalisaan, Tubukol. Masarbito, ginawa ng paraan. Kalisaan, Tubukol, drop ball shot, and that will work for Team Bolinao.
Smart play by the team captain.
Kalisaan. Fredeluces. Young gives that free ball. Gonzaga. Fredeluces was there. Dizon.
Blocked. Bukol. Kalisaan to the middle. Deflected. Ando si Masarbito. Gisan from the pipe. Kalisaan. Isa-set ulit sa middle. And same spot for jersey number 11. Substitution. Babalik si Magno. Lalabas na si Masarbito.
Baba na po sa 2-point lead. 21 serving 23.
Sharp serve. Over received. Rainbow ball. Fredeluces. Isiset kay Giang. Andun yung libero. Kalisaan. Back set to Morga. And she is blocked. Set point for Team Dasol.
Jersey number 16, Beltran serving. Gonzaga, ginawa ng paraan, block. But naibalik ang bola for Delices. To Magno, block also by jersey number 11.
(22) serving 24.
Gonzaga serving. Fredeluces to Magno. That is out. 1 point lead na lang para sa Dasol. Gonzaga.
Sure serve. Fredeluces is set kay Giang. Andun si Gonzaga. Kalisaan. Tupaltep. Andun yung libero. Isiset kay Magno. Drop ball. Kalisaan. Bukol will set it to Morga. Drop ball. Good save. Giang. Kalisaan. Free ball for Team Dasol. Fredeluces is set kay Giang. Andun yung libero. Did the open push and block. So we are going to a third and deciding set. are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Game 5 po tayo ng ating women's division. It is Team Dasol versus Team Bolinao.
Kalisaan. Fideluces sinabol ang bola para kay Magno. Andon si Cruz. Bocol well play setter for Gonzaga. Straight to the net. Point for Team Dasol. In this third and final deciding set. Beltran now serving.
Kalisaan. Sinet kay Kaakbay. Andun si Fideluces. Inangat ni Dizon. Free ball. Kalisaan. Free ball. Fideluces. Tugiang. Gonzaga. Magno. Masyadong dikit. Pat! Error for jersey number 7, Giang. Medyo nanggigil siya doon.
Jersey number 12 serving Gonzaga. From the back, Dizon. And still a point for Team Dasol. Serving one. Magno. Kaakbay gives a free ball. Fideluces. Miscommunication. Point for Team Bolinao. Fideluces. Tugyang. That is a point for Team Dasol.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 7, Giang. Kalisaan, back set to Kaakbay. Deflected, nakuha ni Giang. Magno will give a free ball. Kalisaan. Back to Kaakbay. And that is outside. Wala pang pito. It's the official call.
Serving jersey number 7. Giang. And a service ace. Miscommunication between Kaakbay and Cruz.
3-point lead here for Team Dasol. Kalisaan, isiset sa open. Andun si Dizon. Hinabol ni Fredel Luces. And the score for the captain, Dizon.
And Team Bolinao will call for time. Six, 2 lamang po ang Team Dasol ng 4. Cruz, Kalisaan to Kaakbay, and that ends the drought for Team Bolinao. Kaakbay now serving. Frido Luces to Magno. Kalisaan to Paltep, off speed attack. Dizon gagawan ng paraan. Kalisaan to Paltep. Andun si Magno. Dizon over receive. Frido Luces to Magno. Andun si Cruz. Kalisaan to Paltep. Magno is still there. Dizon. Paltep. Frido Luces to Dizon, and that will end the long rally courtesy of jersey number 3, Dizon. Magno. And a service ace for Team Dasol. 5-point lead, 8 serving 3. Kalisaan to Carranza in the middle, drop ball shot. Giang plays the setter for Dizon. Cruz is there. Kalisaan to Paltep. And a point for Team Bolinao. Paltep. Service error. That service goes out. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Team Dasol. Dizon.
Too low.
Carranza now serving.
Sa open. Bibigay kay Gonzaga. Dizon was there from the pipe. Gonzaga babies that one. 5-point lead here for Team Dasol.
Now serving jersey number 4. Fede Luces. Gonzaga. Kalisaan to Bocol on the middle. Free ball. That will be a point for Team Bolinao. Kalisaan serving. Frido Luces to Magno. Bukol is there. Magno. Kalisaan to Gonzaga. Dizon is there. Magno. Kalisaan backsets to Kakbay and finds the spot. Baba sa tatlo ang Kalamangan. 7 serving 10. Freddy Luces to Beltran. Kalisaan to Kakbay. Dog. Free ball para sa Team Bolinao. Kalisaan to Bocol. Off speed. Yang. Andun si Cruz. Gonzaga drop ball and that will work for Team Bolinao.
Smart play by Gonzaga. And Team Dasol will call for time dahil dalawa na lang po ang kanilang Kalamangan.
Kalisaan. Freddy Luces to Magno in the middle. Gonzaga is there. Gonzaga ginawa ng paraan. Kalisaan. And Kalisaan will be called lifting violation. Point for Team Dasol. 11 serving 8.
Is received. Pinaas para sa open. Dog by Dizon. Sa opposite naman, dun si Bukol. Kalisaan was set it to Kaakbay. Pero walang check ball. Balik sa 4 ang Kalamangan ng Team Dasol.
Jersey number 16 serving. Beltran. Kalisaan. Backsets to Gonzaga. Andun si Dizon. Magno. And that will be a point for Team Dasol. Back to 5-point lead. 13 serving 8. Kalisaan. Tukakbay on the open. Andun si Beltran, but point for Team Bolinao. Gonzaga now serving. Fede Luces. Magno in the middle.
Sa open drop ball. Regalo but dog by the libero. Kalisaan to Bukol and katinginan ng mga players ng Team Dasol.
Down to 3-point lead para sa Team Bolinao. Gonzaga still serving. Dizon gagawa ng paraan. Kalisaan. Tukaakbay. Good ball. And Dasol wins that point. 14-10. Magno now serving. Kalisaan to Bocol on the opposite, drops ball. Work for Team Bolinao. Now serving jersey number 11, Gabriela Bocol.
Rotation error for Team Dasol. Still serving jersey number 11, Bukol. Giang. Kalisaan is set sa open off speed. Magno will play setter here. Kalisaan to the middle and a point for jersey number 2, Carranza.
Down to 1-point lead. Service error there for Team Bolinao. Yang. Talisaan. Foul tap. Too close to the net. (16 serving 13). Yang. Talisaan. Nakakabay dun sa free ball. Dizon.
Great combination play there on the side of Team Dasol. And Bolinao will call for time dahil balik sa 4 ang kanilang kalamangan. Kalisaan set sa 4. Andon si Magno to Dizon. Deflected. And another point for Team Dasol.
Giang. Gonzaga to Kaakbay. To the Luces. To Magno. Kalisaan. Free ball. To the Luces. To Dizon. Andon si Cruz but couldn't handle that spike coming from jersey number 3.
6-point lead.
Giang. The Luces to Dizon. Ginawa ng paraan. Carranza gets the point for Team Bolinao. Kaakbay. For the Luces. Magno and point for Team Dasol. We are now at 20-point mark. 20 serving 14. Fredeluces. Paltep ginawa ng paraan. Magno gives a free ball. Kalisaan. To Paltep, up speed attack. Yang. And that is out for Team Dasol.
Paltep. Fredeluces sets it to the opposite, pero error there for Dizon. 4-point lead. And a timeout for Team Dasol. Pagkatapos po nitong women's division, maya-maya lamang po ay mag-uumpisa na rin ang men's division dito sa Western Conference.
Paltep serving. Fredeluces. Block Dizon. Magno gives a free ball. Kaelisaan goes to Carranza in the middle. Gonzaga. Free ball.
Dizon drop ball. Kalisaan 1-2 play. Andun si Dizon. Kaakbay to Gonzaga. Over ball. Carranza will set it to Gonzaga. Blocked. Kalisaan push to the open. Dizon, and nabitawan ang cross court.
Balik sa 5-point lead. 21 serving 16. Serving jersey number 3 for Team Dasol. Dizon. Kalisaan to Gonzaga, free ball. Fredeluces. Back row attack for Dizon.
Kalisaan.
Gonzaga, dog. 1-2 play ni Kalisaan. Dizon is there. Kalisaan to Gonzaga, drop. Andun si Fredeluces. Free ball again. Bulinaw. Kalisaan to Gonzaga, and that will be a point for Team Dasol. 22 serving 16.
Substitution. Magno out, Masarbito in. Dasol is 3 points away from winning this game. Makakahabol pa kaya ang Team Bulinaw? Let's find out. Andan si Masarbito. Kalisaan sets it to the middle. And a point for Carranza. Five-point lead. Good serve. Fredeluces to the middle. Kaakbay to Bukol. The open. Kalisaan, isiset ulit kay Bukol, pero high ball. Fredeluces to the open. Andun si Carranza. Isiset kay Gonzaga. Good defense there for Masarbito. Kalisaan to Bukol. Swipe. Gyang chases. Kalisaan sets it to the open. Deflected. And then si Dizon to Masarbito. Deflected.
Long
Free
rally.
ball. Fredeluces. Drop ball. Bukol will play setter. Gonzaga.
Masarbito. Kalisaan. To Bukol in the middle. And that ends the long rally. Dasol gets that point.
Crucial error.
Fredeluces now serving. Gonzaga. That is a point for Team Bolinao. Kalisaan serving. Gyang
And-
gets that point.
And we are now at match point.
Serving for the match. Jersey number 15 na Balta. Kalisaan. Tukakbay. Fredeluces goes to Masarbito and hindi pa po ito natatapos.
Gonzaga. Fredeluces sets it to Magno. Free ball for Team Dasol. Isiset kay Gyang. Andun yung libero. Kalisaan to Kaakbay. Dizon was there. Masarbito. Good defense. And Gyang and Team Dasol wins this match in 3 sets. What a game. Congratulations to Team Dasol for the reverse sweep, and congratulations also to Team Bolinao for winning for a good game.
And our player in jersey number 3, Dizon.
Titignan mo, ma'am.
Okay, public announcement po. Nakikiusap po ang ating mga kaibigang GSO dito sa
This is where it ends our fourth game here in the Women's Division of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nasaksihan naman natin volleyball fans mula sa first set hanggang sa third set ng ating fourth game. Kitang-kita natin ang kanilang sipag, dedikasyon at also puso sa loob ng court. But in the end, it was Team Dasol who got the win, and still, congratulations for Team Bolinao for giving us a good game. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Team Bolinao, player number 3, Giselle Dizon, having 12 attacks. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. Since naging crucial yung game ninyo with Team Bolinao kanina, paano nyo na-handle yung pressure sa loob ng court?
Bale, ang sabi ko lang po sa teammates ko, balik lang po kami sa sistema. Tsaka i-apply lang po lahat ng tinuturo sa amin ng coaches. Tsaka yung pinaka-importante po namin na kailangan gawin, defense first po, tapos susunod na po yung offense.
Kitang-kita nga namin yung sipag nyo sa loob ng court when it comes to your floor defense and sa blockings din ninyo. So, since galing kayo sa pagkatalo kahapon, ano yung nakuha mong lesson sa game nyo nung kahapon na talagang nakita mong nag-improve for this game?
Bale, sinasabi ko lang din po sa teammates ko, kahapon po kasi nag-lack talaga kami sa enjoyment, connection and communication sa loob. So sabi po namin, yung skills meron na po, yun na lang po talaga yung kailangan namin, enjoyment, connection and communication. Yun po yung in-apply namin ngayon para manalo po against Team Bolinao.
Volleyball is all about, hindi lang about teamwork, but also yung connection nyo and yung chemistry nyo sa loob ng court. So sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Bali, first of all po, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang LGU Dasol, lalong-lalo na po sa aming Mayor Sadong Bernal and also our Councilor Asho. At saka, siyempre po, sa mga family ng teammates ko, coaches, ganoon din po sa family ko po. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa Team Dasol. And also po, shout out po sa kapatid ko, nagre-review ngayon. Galingan mo sa board exam. Tsaka ganoon din po sa boyfriend ko, magulang ko. Hello po sa inyo. Tsaka lastly pa rin po, yung game po na to para po sa aking friend na si Divine Adili. Rest peacefully, Divine, and we love you always. Yun po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game.
Mayor, panalo pa kami.
Shoutout kay Mayor Sadong! Sapatos! Sakit ng lalamunan ko, Mayor!
Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our fourth game here in the Women's Division. But to stay here in our page dahil magsisimula na ang ating last game for today in the Women's Division. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.